Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. It is a hot Friday, and we are doing an IPSY unboxing. Yay! I feel like I haven't gotten an IPSY box in a while. I guess the month has passed by slowly. This is a cute bag, though, so I'm excited. I'm already dressed for the pool, kind of, sort of. So, yeah, and it's maybe 11 o'clock, and it's probably in the 90s. I'm gonna roast out there, but I did get a floaty, so hopefully that will help me. Okay, first thing in the bag that has nothing to do with the unboxing, just FYI. First thing in the bag is the Real Her I am amazing. I was like, what? 24-hour eyeliner, certified cruelty-free, paraben-free, infused with love. Aw. Waterproof, smudge-proof, and long wear. Oh, nice. Let me open this and let's see what this looks like. Cute packaging. Oh, simple. Simple, sweet, convenient, you know, short, sweet, and to the point. Oh, it's not a liquid. It's a pencil liner. So that's interesting. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Sorry, never mind my hair. I just took it out of the ponytail and it's kind of doing whatever it wants to do. Next thing in the bag. Let's just flip that to the other side. Oh, it's crushed a little bit. This is the Pearlie's Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. The box is a little crushed. They sent it in this bubble bag, which I'm not a fan of because I like the box better because it protects your stuff, and this doesn't happen. But whatever, it's alright. This looks like a full-size 1.7 ounce oil-free water cream prime skin for makeup, which I do not wear foundation. But, I mean, if I go out and I want to use like a blush and concealer, it would probably be good to use a primer. So that I may keep. Probably not, but I might. High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. I have gotten so many mascaras. I need to maybe adjust my thing because I think I told them I love mascara, which I do. And so they send me a new mascara like every month, which I'm not mad at. I haven't opened the last one, but I didn't open the last one, and I'm not going to open this one, but I am going to use them because I'm a mascara junkie. We all know that. And the mascara I love is super expensive, so I'm going to go through these, save my little coins. Okay, August 20th. This is the August 2020 IPSY bag, by the way. I didn't even say that. Ooh, Huda Beauty Demi Matte lip cream lipstick in Revolutionaire. That looks backwards to me, but it may not look backwards to you. And I didn't bring my little cutter, so I'm going to have to bust this thing open like a wild animal. Her packaging is cute. That's cute. Let's see. When you have to wear a mask all the time, you just don't even do your lips, and so it's been really sad for me because I'm a huge lipstick person. Okay. What is this called? It's a doe foot applicator, but it's also got like a little bit of a lip to it, so you can see. It kind of will grip your lips. Let's just go ahead and try this. Ah, it's very smooth. I will say that. And that little lip thingy just curves into your lips really nicely. Probably should use a liner with this, but since I have absolutely no makeup on, it's actually not bad. It's a nice little neutral here. That's cute. That's cute. When I can wear a mask, when I can not wear a mask and actually show my lips, I might have to try that. I might have to go somewhere and just take pictures and then put the mask back on. I have no idea. It's just so frustrating, but it's necessary. And the last thing in the bag, besides this little informational package, which again, the bag is really cute, is a palette. Ooh, it's pretty. Hold on. Wait for it. Okay. Ooh. Venice Fling, Bailey's Sarion, and Estate? I know how to say estate. I'm just trying to figure out if Venice Fling is the name of the palette and Bailey's Sarion is the person behind the palette. It's cute packaging. So let's find out. 'Cause I really don't know. IPSY shows me a lot of brands that I've never heard of or seen before or have experienced. So I'm sorry, I don't know. Venice Bling, I think, is the name of the palette. And Bailey Sarion times Estate by Estate. Ooh. Oh, these are really pretty. I felt like something was on me, sorry. These are really pretty. These are great colors. Oh, wow. Soul, which is the gold, like the sun. Bonfire, which is the peachy color. Rose Tattooed is this one. Tan Line, sorry. Can I bend this back? Oh, perfect. Tan Lines. Ocean Wave. Ocean Ave. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a coppery rose gold um, shimmer. Toasty, which makes sense. Roller Skates, which is the purple. Puppy Love, and then Venice Bling. Oh, gotta touch it. Gotta touch it. Oh, that's pretty. Venice Bling. That's pretty. That is really soft, too. Oh, lovely. Ocean Ave. Oh, that's pretty. Rose Tattoo. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. The pigment is really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we have to do soul. We have to do the gold. Oh my gosh. These are really nice. This is pretty. I might have to do an eye makeup look really soon. Like Sunday. When I go to work. Yes, eyeshadow collection. This is nice. Okay, okay. Yeah, we're going to be using this really soon. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but you always want something different, And this is a nice combination. This is a good color palette to take with you on a trip. You can do some evening looks. You can do some neutrals. You can do some fun pops of color with the purple. Yeah, and it comes with a mirror. Perfection. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I need a lip liner. Yeah, definitely. I almost... Okay, so that's it. That's my IPSY box for this month of August 2020. And these colors are really pretty. I am really liking the IPSY box, I must say. Right now, as it stands, I am enjoying this more than the Sephora box. Now, I am paying more for this, but I'm also getting full-size products. Like, this is a full-size product. This is a full-size product. This eyeliner is a full-size product. This palette is a full-size product. I'm paying a little bit, about 2.5 times more, so I'm paying $25 to get full-size products, but I'm getting 5 new full-size products each month, and I haven't had any repeats, and I haven't had anything that has been like, eh. I mean, some things I'm not going to use just because I don't wear that much makeup, but everything, did I scratch myself? Sorry. But everything has been really good and shareable and usable. So, and they're not little baby things that you can't really try. I did like the Sephora box initially, but it kind of got old because everything was small, and then you got a lot of duplicates every now and then. Like, I think I got 4 tattoo liners by Kat Von D. I mean, that's ridiculous. So anyway, I gotta clean my hands. But thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Please stay safe, sanitize, wash your hands. If you're sick, stay home, and all that kind of good stuff. And have a blessed week. Peace.